Are you planning to upgrade your kitchen? Or perhaps looking for the perfect tool to help with your meal prep and hosting duties? Whether you are a daily smoothie drinker or someone who loves throwing large dinner parties, the right blender can truly be a game changer for your culinary experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential world of blenders, from compact personal models to high-performance investment pieces that will last for years. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to choose the perfect blender for your lifestyle. Whether you need to crush ice, puree hot soups, or whip up margaritas for a crowd, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, understanding the Countertop Workhorse. When you start looking for a blender, you will likely encounter standard models ranging from 500 to 1,400 watts, such as the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender. These are fantastic for daily tasks, such as crushing ice for smoothies or creating large batches of frozen drinks for the family. Choosing a model with pre-programmed auto IQ settings takes the guesswork out of your prep, allowing you to achieve the perfect consistency at the touch of a button. Second, consider the materials and design. As you shop, pay close attention to the pitcher material and blade assembly. While plastic pitchers are lightweight and common, they can scratch and hold odors over time, whereas glass or high-quality BPA-free Triton pitchers, like those found on the Ninja Professional series, stay clear and durable. Additionally, check if the blade assembly is removable. Being able to take it apart makes cleaning those tricky crevices much easier and prevents annoying food buildup. Third, decoding the power of wattage. It is a common myth that higher wattage always means better results, but the reality is more nuanced. While you need at least 600 watts for basic ice crushing and over 1,000 watts for frozen fruits, the blade geometry is just as important as the motor. Look for stainless steel blades with asymmetrical designs, as these create a better vortex that pulls ingredients down into the path of the blades for a smoother blend. Fourth, investing in high-performance models. If you are serious about your kitchen tools, you might consider investment pieces from legendary brands like Vitamix or Blendtec. These high-performance blenders feature motors that won't quit under pressure and are engineered to handle everything from turning cashews into cream to making homemade almond butter. Because their blades spin so fast, up to 240 miles per hour, the friction alone can actually heat a raw soup to serving temperature in just 5 minutes. Fifth, choosing the right container shape. Container shape matters more than you might think when it comes to the efficiency of your blend. Tall, narrow containers are excellent for creating a vortex for liquids and smoothies, while wider, shorter containers are better suited for thick mixtures, like hummus or nut butters. If you plan on making thick dips, ensure your blender includes a tamper tool, which allows you to push ingredients back into the blades without stopping the motor to scrape the sides. Sixth, the versatility of immersion blenders. Often called stick blenders, these are the underrated problem solvers of the kitchen, especially the Breville BSB510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. While Ninja also offers great hand blenders, the Breville is uniquely designed to puree ingredients directly in the pot without suction issues. This saves you the mess and danger of transferring hot liquids to a countertop jar, making it a staple for anyone who enjoys making fresh, healthy soups. Seventh, personal blenders for busy lifestyles. For those who are always on the go, a personal blender like the Nutribullet Ultra or the classic Magic Bullet is a fantastic tool for single-serve smoothies. These compact machines excel at breaking down seeds and leafy greens, like kale, and the blending cup often doubles as a travel mug. Just keep in mind that they are designed for short bursts of power, so avoid overworking the motor or using them for hot liquids, which can cause pressure to build up dangerously. Eighth, commercial power for large-scale hosting. If you find yourself hosting parties for 20 or more people on a regular basis, You might even look into heavy-duty options like the Waring commercial CB15 Ultra Heavy Duty Blender. These machines are built for continuous use without needing a cool-down period, making them the ultimate tools for back-to-back batches of frozen cocktails. If noise is a concern while guests are mingling, specialized models like Vitamix's The Quiet One offer that same power with a sound enclosure to keep the conversation flowing. 9th, exploring specialty features. Modern technology has introduced specialty options like the Ninja Foodi Heat IQ HB150C/HB152 and Instant Pot blenders, which feature built-in heating elements. These can actually cook raw vegetables into a finished soup in about 30 minutes. Alternatively, vacuum blenders like the Oster blender with FoodSaver technology remove air before the cycle to prevent oxidation, which is particularly useful for meal prepping smoothies or ensuring that party margaritas don't separate while your guests are arriving. 10th, maintenance for longevity. To keep your blender running like new, it is important to practice regular maintenance. You don't actually need to sharpen the blades as they work through impact, but you should run a cleaning cycle with vinegar and water monthly to remove mineral buildup. Always listen to your motor. If you smell burning or notice it struggling with thick ingredients, give it a 15-minute break to cool down and avoid permanent damage. Finally, making the right choice for your home. The best blender is ultimately the one that fits your daily habits and hosting style. Think about your available counter space and your tolerance for noise before making your final decision. By choosing a machine with a solid warranty and a capacity that matches your household size, you ensure that your blender remains a helpful companion in your kitchen for many years to come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.